Hello internet world, welcome to my unboxing and first look at the Sony FX30 camera. A big thank you goes out to Clifton Cameras. I purchased this camera from them and you can find a link to their website down in the video description. I want to say a big thank you to them though, because they pay great attention to both customer service, packaging and all the little bits that really make up to a great customer experience. So without further ado, let's get on with the unboxing. As I mentioned earlier, this is the Sony Cinema Line FX30. It's a video focused camera. I'm going to do an unboxing for you today to show you what you get inside the box. And let's take a look under this first level of the box. We've got the guarantee. We've also got some extra information here, some reference paperwork, information about memory cards, some extra info about the Catalyst Browse software. This allows you to process the footage from your camera, add stabilization if you want to. It's really quite powerful. Also got some info about some lenses and accessories, and also the startup guide in various languages. This is going to sort of get you up and running. Now this is the body only, so let's take a look further inside the box. We've got a USB cable, so this is full size USB to USB-C. In the lower level of the box, I'm pretty sure the camera is in this section here. So we'll take this out and just put it to one side, see what else we get inside the box. So we've got another section here on the side, and this contains a couple of power cables. So these are figure 8 power cables. You get a European one, and then you also get a UK power cable as well. Now do bear in mind, if you're purchasing this in a different country, you will get a country specific power cable inside the box. Let's just close that back down. So we've got another section here. Inside here we've got the battery. This is a Sony FX30, so 2280 or 2260 milliamp hour battery. And then inside here we've got the USB charger. So you use this in combination with the power cable I showed you earlier and the USB cable I showed you earlier as well. That is pretty much all of the box contents. So now let's take a look at the camera itself. Wow, this is very nice. Really nice deep grip on the camera is the first thing I'm noticing. We've also got a really nice, I'm assuming this is the shutter button just here. We've also got the record button. We've also got plenty of function buttons. We've got function button 1, 2 and 3. These are pre-assigned to iris, white balance and ISO. I'm sure you can change those as well. We've got the main shutter button here, so this might be some sort of control just here. This is the main shutter button. And then we've also got a rocker switch for zooming in and out. Of note, there is a hot shoe here, but there's also plenty of threaded mounts, so 3 across the top for mounting accessories. We've also got some little loops for attaching a camera strap, and then on this side here where it says open, this is an open and then a slide, and this is where you're going to put your memory cards. So this has got 2 slots, and these slots take both CF Express cards and also SD cards. So they're compatible with 2 different types of cards in each slot. Extra threaded mount on this side as well, which is nice to see. Then if we take a look on this side, we've got yet another threaded mount, and then we've got some doors that we can take a look under. So this one here has got a full size HDMI. This bottom one here has got what looks like a multi-out. So multi-out on the bottom, and then we've got USB-C on this one here. It's used for charging and powering the camera. And And then we've got another door here where we've got a 3.5mm microphone jack and also a headphone jack as well. So plenty of connectivity on this side of the camera. These are really nicely engineered doors as well. They fit beautifully. Really very, very nice. You'd also see there is some ventilation on the side. So this keeps all of the internal components nice and cool inside the camera. If we take a look on the bottom of the camera, we have got a threaded mount for tripod, and then we've also got the door for the battery. And then if we take a look on the back, we've got the on-off switch just here. We've also got a mode button, a menu button. We've also got a control dial just here. We've got yet another function button number 5. Number 4 is just down here. We've got the FN button here for access to quick settings. We've also got a rotating dial here, which is also a 4-way rocker button, and then another button in the middle, which you usually use like an enter button or an OK button. And then we've got a playback button just here. We've got an articulating screen. This is a touch screen as well, and it rotates out, of course, and it's fully articulating, which is really nice to see. Then the only other viewpoint I haven't shown you is the camera front on. So we've got yet another function button on here. We've got the lens cap, lens release, and then also another dial here for changing settings. It's a beautifully made camera. It feels very, very well made. I'm really impressed with this. Wow. This is capable of capturing up to 4K, 120 frames per second. You can also capture in other frame rates as well. It's really designed to be a video-centric camera. So you're going to use this for capturing video. So do bear that in mind. You can take photos with it, but it's only got an electric shutter or electronic shutter. It hasn't got a mechanical shutter. So for fast action photos, it's not really going to be suitable. But certainly for landscapes, you could take quite decent photos with this. It's got the very latest menu system. It's also got the very latest focus system from Sony in here. It's got an APS-C Sensor, so it's a crop sensor camera. So this is the FX30, part of Sony's cinema line. It is absolutely superb and definitely a very, very professional and well-built camera, packed full of features. So that's it for my unboxing and first look. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do. I've got an unboxing of a lens I picked up from Clifton Cameras as well. This is the Sony EPZ 10-20mm f4G. It's a power zoom lens. It's quite compact and it's really suited to the FX30. So please do subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on that video. And if you want to purchase this, then please do check out the links down in the video description as well. And if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and consider subscribing. I'll see you in another one very, very soon.